This week I'm back with a garden and greenhouse update, so stay tuned. It had been a hard summer on the garden and the greenhouse. The temperatures have been really high and we didn't have any rain for several months. Now we got some cooler air coming in and also some well-needed rain. Out in the small garden there is not much left of the veggies. The fennel are done and we have eaten a few during the summer. We also put some in the freezer and it's almost time to pick up the rest. The corn is almost done. I've tasted one and it was so sweet. The broccoli don't look so good anymore. They had a rough time this year. The zucchinis have done really well and we have had an abundance of those. Any good tips on recipes? Please leave them down in the comments. This variety of tomato is one that I'm not going to try again. They have very little fruit on the plants. We are working on covering the whole garden in wood chips. I will get a new load this weekend, so it's almost done for this time. In the greenhouse we haven't got so much cucumber this year as last, but there are still some growing. Something that we will have a lot of is peppers. I hope they aren't too strong. I will try to dry them. What do you think? Please leave a comment. Along with the strong peppers there are some paprikas. A few of them have finally turned red and there are more that will follow. We got one big watermelon and one small. I will try growing these outside next year. They take up precious space in the greenhouse. The cherry tomatoes in the greenhouse did well and we got a lot of them, but now the plants are starting to look like they are really done. This is the first year that we are getting grapes in the greenhouse. It's not a lot of them, but they are looking good and they are really sweet. We also have some basil growing here, but I think that I will cut them down really hard now and move them inside soon. We are going to start some salad and spinach in some of the beds now, so we got that for the fall. All three of the lemon trees are doing great and we got one little green lemon on one of them. This Kivano plant is just growing and growing, but no fruits is coming on it. That's it for this garden and greenhouse update for this time. I hope to talk to you all down in the comments. Have an awesome weekend.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.